जय श्रीमान।
Keep applauding. May I now request everyone to kindly stand in attention for flag hoisting ceremony and pay respect to our national flag.
परेड शुरू करने के लिए हम आपकी अनुमति चाहते हैं। जय हिंद। परेड सामने से तेज चलेगा, तेज चल।
That was truly inspiring. A big salute and round of applause for such an energetic performance. Now, to add more inspiration to this proud moment, I invite
Festival of every Indian beyond religion, language, caste or state. It is the day that unites us as one nation and one people. Good morning, Honorable Ma'am Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Girisha. As I stand here today looking at our proud tricolor fluttering in sky, I just don't see these three colors, but I see sacrifices of our freedom fighters. But the dream of our constitution makers and the hopes of more than 140 crore Indians. The strength of a nation lies in the unity of its people and the values they live by. These thoughts reflect the spirit with which our forefathers gave us the Indian Constitution. Republic Day is not just a date in history. It is the day when India chose to walk the path of democracy, equality and justice. On 26 January 1950, we became a republic where every citizen matters, every choice counts, and every dream has a value. For us, being students, Republic Day is a reminder that we are not too young to make a difference. The Constitution gives us the right to think, to speak, and to grow. But along with these rights comes the duty to be respected. School is the first institution of democracy. Here we learn discipline, respect, honesty, and unity, and help our classmates. We are actually practicing the values of our constitution. Our school life prepares us for this role. When we learn to accept different opinions, work as a team, the true meaning of democracy. The constitution begins in classrooms, in playgrounds, and in our belief that the children of today shape the India of tomorrow, the future of this nation. A good student today becomes a responsible citizen tomorrow. Republic Day reminds us that freedom is not about doing whatever we want, but about doing what is right. It teaches us to respect our country.
Wonderful and motivating speech. Let's give her a big round of applause, everybody. Patriotic group song by our talented students.
ये तेरी तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पसंद के कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जब भोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा
लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है आए तेरे का जागे जागे हौसला है हर जागे जागे हिम्मत है रास्ते हैं हर कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है जागे जागे हिंदुस्तां है हर जागे जागे हिम्मत है रास्ते हैं हर कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है जागा हिंदुस्तां जागा हिंदुस्तां
Thank you, Taisha, for such a vibrant performance.
डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा ओ भारत देश मेरा ओ भारत देश मेरा जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा ओ भारत देश मेरा ओ भारत देश मेरा जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का
Good morning. So today we gather here to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of our country. A very proud moment for all of us, for all the Indians, for all the citizens of India. This day is celebrated not because we got independence on the day, but the laws, the Constitution came into force today. It took many years to get this Constitution. Many freedom fighters worked hard to give us the book of laws which we follow today and which we call as the Constitution of India. Mind it, India's Constitution is one of the longest constitution in the world, and it took at least 4 years to make this Constitution. The freedom fighters, the struggle they took for us to have this free air for us to live in is because of our ancestors, because of the freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, and many more to name for. So we should always come together, stand together whenever it is a cause of India's pride. For our nation, we all need to stand together always. The foremost duty of every Indian citizen. So I want you all, I actually wanted all your teachers to have you in the classes. We need to have the recitation of poems, the flags you made, so that you all need to know the freedom fighters, the struggle they all have put for us to have this independent country. I want all the SST teachers to tell you during the periods how this constitution came into place and how our freedom fighters worked hard for the independence. When India got independence on 15th August, this day lost its importance. To make sure that we all remember this day, our ancestors, our leaders made it sure that this day should be celebrated with pomp and show, and that is why we are celebrating it, to maintain the dignity of the day when the laws were implemented in the country. The book of law, the Constitution says, everybody is equal in our country. Liberty of expression is there, speech is there, feeling of brotherhood is there. So we all need to maintain it. And once again, Happy Republic Day to all my dear children, the staff members who presented a wonderful song here, the kids who came here and showcased the patriotic song, and definitely the new NCC group which came into force. Today is the first time when they have done this march past along with our house